Hey, welcome back to Algebra 2 Easy. Let's do another long division problem. First, we have our divisor, and then in the numerator is my dividend. The divisor, x minus 2, is going to go on the outside of the division bar, and underneath it is the dividend. So remember, the dividend is going to go in descending order. If we look, we have x cubed, so we'll start with that. That's our largest degree. But I'm missing x squared and I'm missing x. So you have to replace missing terms with a coefficient of 0 to hold their location in the division process. So we're going to have plus 0 x squared plus 0x and then minus 8. As a reminder, we look to see how many terms we have in the divisor, and we have 2. So we are going to put parentheses underneath the first 2 terms of the dividend, and we are going to subtract whatever we get. We have x cubed, so we want to have another x cubed here. So I'll go ahead and put x cubed, and then we have to ask ourselves, x times what, so we don't know what that is, would give me x cubed, and that would be x squared. And I'm going to line that up with the other x squared term. So x times x squared gives me x cubed. Now I can take negative 2 times x squared, and I get negative 2x squared. And now we can subtract. X cubed cancels, and we have 0 minus negative 2, which is really plus. So now I have a 2x squared. And you're going to bring down the next term, so we're going to have plus 0x. We're going to subtract, and then I can draw my line. So this time, we're trying to eliminate the 2x squared. So I will put 2x squared here, and then we go back up to the divisor and figure out x times what would give me 2x squared, and that is going to be positive 2x. And now we can take negative 2 times 2x, and I get negative 4x. Now we subtract, and the 2x squared cancels, and then we have 0 minus negative 4, so that's really plus 4. So now we will have a 4x, and we're going to bring down our last number, which is a negative 8. And again, we're going to subtract, parentheses under the 2 terms. And this time, we are trying to create a 4x here. So we want a 4x. X times what would give me 4x, and that would be 4. So I can put plus 4 here. And we have 4 times negative 2, which gives me negative 8. The 4x minus 4x cancels, and then negative 8 minus negative 8 also cancels to give me a remainder of 0. So my final answer, x squared plus 2x plus 4. If this helps, and be sure to follow us for more.